When you're building compliance in the C1 risk platform, you can map all of your policies to different regulations and standards. And of course, you can build internal controls to show how you're implementing those standards and connect evidence and documentation to show that you're implementing those controls. If you want to see all of those together, it's very easy to do in the C1 risk platform. So for example, if you're an external auditor and you're conducting audit, you can do that on screen in our platform, or if you're just getting ready for audit, if you're in that readiness process, you can validate this at any time. Here's how you do that. So from the platform, we're going to go to our GRC library into the obligations section where we have all of the regulations and standards that we're working on. We'll choose the appropriate one, and we're just going to go to the control library for that particular obligation. And in here, of course, what we can see is all of the control requirements in scope. And then we can just go into each one of these individually. And what you can see is in the compliance status, you've got a summary of what you've got connected. So you can see here we have internal controls, we have evidence linked to those internal controls, and then documentation that's come in from that evidence collection process. And there we can see that it's fully implemented. Okay. And then in the actual details section itself, you have the document request. So you have that documentation. You have the option of viewing that on screen or just downloading it. You can also see your policies, and similarly, any policies that are connected can be viewed on screen or exported out of the system. And then finally, if you want to view your internal controls that are connected, that have to show how you're implementing this requirement, and these are the precursors to the evidence collection. You can see those in the internal controls tab here. Okay. And again, you can just click into these to actually view them. And then in each one of these, you're going to see the detail section, which shows you the actual control. If there's a control strength written, whether the control is fully implemented, partially implemented, or not implemented. All of the information that's required for an internal control is stored here. So that's how you view all of the different components of your compliance program in the control library attached to that regulation or standard that you're working on. And that concludes our training for today. Thank you very much.